class 10 mathematics, and the chapter which we are discussing is similar triangles. In that, basic proportionality theorem and converse of basic proportionality theorem we have done, and solve few questions also based on exercise 6.2. A few one or two questions will be given as a homework. Try that and use any different resource for getting solutions also if you are not able to. Regarding the doubts and approach will in the learners group, so that respond and I'll clarify your doubt if you have any. And that, and moving further in this, we have the concept of similarity criteria. Whereas in congruency you have the congruency rules, side congruency rule, side angle side congruency rule. Like that you have different, or right angle hypotenuse side congruency rule. We have different congruency rules. In a similar way, even we have here similarity criteria or similarity rules also we have. Those are one by one if you go. The first one, if you take angle or angle similarity rule, both are same. And the other one, if I take side similarity rule, the third side angle side similarity rule. Like this, we will be having three similarity rules. These are similarity rules different from the congruency rules. First one is angle or angle similarity rule, side similarity rule, and side angle side similarity rule. In this, similarity criteria are similarity rules. In the beginning only I told you, if two angles of one triangle are equal to the two angles of the other triangle, then the third angle automatically will be equal in both the triangles. If that condition is satisfied, we can say that two triangles are similar to each other. The first angle similarity means in two triangles, two angles of one triangle are equal to the two angles of the other triangle, and the two triangles are said to be similar by angle similarity rule. And for example, for that, if we see, if I take an example, two triangles I am taking here. We are considering two triangles. These two angles, the first one I am naming it as ABC, and the other triangle if you take it as XYZ. And if I say that this angle is 30 degrees, and this angle is 50 degrees, and in this triangle, the similar way, if I take this angle is 30 and this angle is 50, the sum of the angles, in the even this in the beginning of chapter also explained, just to briefly revise. In ABC triangle, two angles are 30 degrees and 50 degrees, and even in XYZ triangle also two angles are 30 degrees and 50 degrees. Now, as the sum of the angles in a triangle according to the angle sum property is 180 degrees, in whatever it may be the triangle in which sum of the angles will be equal to 180 degrees. So sum of the three angles in this triangle is 180. Even sum of the three angles in this triangle also 180. That means this third angle in both the triangles will be equal. 50 plus 30 means 80, total 180. So this will become 100 degrees. And even in this triangle also, this angle will become 100 degrees. So the three angles of this triangle will be equal to three angles of this triangle. Then we can see that these two triangles are similar to each other. Briefly, if I write that, can be asked as a question. Check whether these two triangles are similar or not. If they are similar, give reason, explain, or by according to which criteria these two triangles are similar. That type of question can be asked in exam. You need to know, in triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, all the three angles are equal. So you can see that triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. The reason for that is angle similarity rule or angle similarity rule. Both are same. The two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of other triangle. Then these two triangles are similar to each other by angle similarity rule. Then what about the third angle I am saying? Some of these three angles 180, some of these three angles 180. If the two angles are equal, third angle also will be equal in both the triangles. That will be the angle similarity. In questions, they will give you the different figures. They will ask you to prove that this triangle is similar to this triangle. Out of all the three, you need to identify which similarity rule can be applied to prove that the two triangles are similar to each other. That is the first similarity rule, angle angle or angle 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 similarity rule. And even I told you that in properties of similar triangles, the two properties I said, in similar triangles, the corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportional. So if side similarity rule, if I discuss in similar fashion, if I take again two triangles, if I take one of the triangle as ABC, other triangle as DEF, the three side in two triangles, side similarity means in two triangles, three sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of the other triangle, then we can say that the two triangles are similar to each other by side similarity rule. Whether in congruency rule, the three sides of one triangle are equal to the three sides of the other triangle, then you will say that two triangles are congruent to each other by side congruency rule. But here in class 10 we have similarity rules. So the three sides of one triangle are proportional to the three sides of the other triangle. Then we can say that two triangles are similar to each other by side similarity. The similar figures I told you. Sides need not to be each other, but the sides are proportional. Here in these two triangles also, if the sides are proportional, then these two triangles will be similar. Then how it goes, you see. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, the sides are proportional, the sides are in the same ratio. That means ratio of corresponding sides. AB corresponding side AE. These two, ratio of these two, the BC corresponding side is EF. Ratio of these two and the ratio of the third side also equal. Then we can also say that the two triangles are similar by side similarity. The ratio of these sides, if you write AB by DE, that equals to the other one is BC by EF, that equals to AC by DF. If these three are equal, the ratio of the corresponding sides equal, then also we can say that these two triangles are similar. If I write the symbolic form here, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This is the symbol which we use for similarity. For congruence, you will be using this. For similarity, just this is the symbol. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. How sir means side similarity. The second rule, angle similarity rule, side. Angle should be equal, sides are proportional, need not to be equal. The triangles are similar, we know, by CPST, corresponding parts of similar triangles. Whereas in CPCT, in congruency, your corresponding point of congruent parts of congruent triangles. Here in similarity, we'll use CPST, corresponding parts of similar triangles. In similar triangles, corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportional. So you need to remember. Don't mix congruency and similarity. Whenever the similarity concept explained, I am relating it with the congruency because you learned already congruence, now you are learning similarity. Both are different. There may be similar terms, similar things will be there. So both are congruent triangles, similar triangles. There may be a confusion while applying this similarity rule or congruency. You need to know that similarity rules are different from the congruent rules. And if I take the third similarity rule, that is side angle side similarity rule, we have side angle side. If I take a triangle, smaller figure draw. If I take a triangle PQR or triangle XYZ, two triangles. In this, if I say that angle Q equals to angle Y, angle Q equals to angle Y, I am saying the sides which forms angle Q are PQ and QR, and this sides which forms angle Y as XY and YZ. The angles in two triangles, one angle of one triangle equals to the one angle of other triangle, and the sides including those angles are proportional. Then also we can say that the two triangles are similar by side angle side similarity rule. Side angle side. This angle is formed by this side and this side. This angle is formed by this side and this side. If the sides including those two angles are proportional, then we can say that also these two triangles are similar by side angle side similarity rule. Where in these two triangles, if I say angle Q equals to angle Y, and I say that is PQ by the corresponding part is XY, PQ by XY equals to QR by here it is YZ. The angles are equal, the sides including these two angles are proportional. Then we can say that triangle PQR is similar to triangle XYZ. This is by using side angle side similarity. One angle of one triangle is equal to the angle of the other triangle and the sides including those angles are proportional. Then also we can say that the two triangles are similar to each other. We have seen the different similarity criteria: angle, 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 or angle, angle, side, side, side similarity rule, side angle side similarity rule. These three we have one exercise 6.3 will be based on the similarity criteria, so you need to understand. For exam we have up to 6.2 only, but even this goes on the continuous classes we will be posting the videos. Maybe the syllabus will go on, but you stop your preparation up to exercise 6.2. And if we say that two triangles are similar to each other, if I say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, then what happens in these two triangles, corresponding angles will be equal and corresponding sides are proportional. In order to say that these two triangles are similar, we use any one of the similarity criteria to say that the two triangles are similar. If the two triangles are similar, what we can say by CPST, we can say that the corresponding angles are equal, the corresponding sides are proportional. If I say that if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, then I can say that and corresponding angles are equal. That is what angle A equals to angle D, and angle B equals to angle E, and angle C equals to angle F. Sir, how you are saying this means? This is by CPST, corresponding parts of similar triangles. That is regarding the angles. In terms of sides also you can write corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are proportional. That means AB by DE, corresponding sides BC and EF is equals to, you can write here, AC by DF. If the two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are equal, their corresponding sides are proportional. How you are saying that? Corresponding parts of similar triangles, like CPCT in congruence triangles. Here in similar triangles, we see corresponding parts of similar triangles.